I am sorry that the steering wheel keeps blocking my face. Is this car really loud? I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me talking, and it might be shaky. I just came from the grocery store. I have a donut, so I'm gonna eat it. My sister was craving, well, me and my sister were craving fettuccine Alfredo. So she has a paper that's due for school. So I told her I'd go get the stuff. She's paying for it though, so. And I'm in her car. But yeah. So we're gonna make Alfredo. I bought myself a donut on her. Cheers. Thanks, sister, for the donut that you don't even know that you bought me yet. For the last week, being at home makes you crazy. Like being stuck at home all day, especially if you have your little kiddos with you. Sorry, I'm in a roundabout. My daughter went back to school. Oh, we're sliding. My son has been home. He's actually been sick. So he's been coughing like every single night. Back to the point of the story is being at home makes you crazy. Big props to, I mean, I know people are like, whatever, being home, whatever, you can do whatever when you're home, but okay, let me just get over to is that better? Not really. Yeah, I don't think I could be a stay-at-home mom. Like, maybe if I had other stuff to take up my time, but I miss work. I don't miss, like, driving to work. Why did I pick the most bumpiest fucking road? But I miss being at work. This road is too damn bumpy. That's my life. Hey. Just kidding. We're back in Tina's car. It's like 2 or 3 days later.
Give me my donuts, please.
Which one?
The glazed.
She's having glazed today. I'm having my good old. Don't try to eat pretty.
I'm just kidding.
He's not.
That's how I eat.
She took a little ass bite. I'll be like those mukbangers. These donuts are legit good though. They're like so soft.
It's a regular donut.
You're a regular donut.
A regular day. I want to eat real food now. Oh,
Not me.
we can go to that poke place.
Oh yeah. But I'm going to Starbucks.
There's not a Starbucks around here, is there? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't have my card on me.
For what?
To pay for it?
Did I say, can you buy me Starbucks?
No. I thought that's what you meant, though.
Why do you have to put this on here? Why do you have to put our business on here like this? Hi, can I get a venti pink drink, please?
Venti pink drink, anything else?
Gabby. I mean Tina. You sure?
Yeah.
No, that's everything.
Alright, 523.
Thank you.
A cake pop.
Bitch. I told you.
I just barely thought of it.
I bet you could tell them. All they have to do is grab it.
No.
Just get one.
Should I get one? The birthday cake ones are good, huh? Is this the birthday cake?
I think so, because like I've had their chocolate ones and I'm not a big fan.
Yeah, and their cookie dough one is too cookie. It's too weird.
Too cookie. And it's all ghetto too on the jacket.
Why'd you put the jacket up?
Because it wouldn't be able to stand without something holding it.
And the chips in the back. I can't get over the chips in the back.
Well, get over it. Yeah, you should throw that in the trash.
Why? It's memories.
This is her TJ Maxx name thing that she's had for
A year?
She worked there for like 2 weeks. And she still leaves it
2
on
months.
She leaves it in her car as decoration. I can't stay away from the pink drink.
I know.
It calls me.
It just tastes like cream.
You don't know.
Yeah, I tasted it. Remember?
This doesn't taste like cream.
Mm-hmm. Like pink cream. It's on the radio. In my ghetto car.
What's that move where you're like pounding all the on the wall?
On the wall? Why? They won't let you out.
Yeah, let me in.
Let me out of here.
Take you up the ball. I don't know what he's saying. Oh, see, they got a pink drink.
Well, they got a pink drink too. Hi.
Take away pain and easy.
Good, how are you? Good. Oh, thank you. You want to see?
No.
No, thank you. Thank you. You too. Are you drinking a pink drink?
Acting different. Same lips to be talking about me. Same lips to be ass kissing.
Sorry, Daddy. He's really a daddy.
I know, huh?
Why would I hop in some beef? Why?
When I could just hop in the Porsche. Let me wrap my weave up. I'm the trap Selena. No. She's so pretty.
From
Look at
like
y'all.
2 years ago.
She's so pretty.
No, I'm not. Look at my two different. Look at my look skinnier in my other one.
Show me. Yeah.
What the fuck?
You was skinnier back at the U.
Sad.
Hey, we all get a little plump.
Oh, I still have that ID, but I can't ever keep track of my licenses.
Need a thing like right.
I know, that's crazy how Trisha Paytas has it.
Yeah, a lot of people have those in their car though.
Oh, I know.
A lot of people that
nice.
vlog. My neck is looking so gross. I know, and I can feel like when we're at the store, I can feel people looking at it.
You could?
Mm-hmm. Like, you know when someone looks at you and then they like hurry and look away?
Yeah.
At first I didn't care. Like, it didn't look bad with the Band-Aid, but now it looks horrible. It looked
Yeah, you couldn't really tell with the bad day.
And then people, like, some people are like asking me like, what happened? Like on Snapchat.
Oh, really?
Like I was trying to post selfies and they're like, oh my gosh, what happened? I'm like,
I try to kill myself.
I know, I feel like people think that I like tried to kill myself or something. I mean, if I did,
kill her.
I wouldn't
She's
be
a bad
cutting my
bitch.
neck.
Have you seen that line?
What?
You can't kill me. I'm a bad bitch.
No.
Yeah. I know it's a little bit bad.
This is like 90% ice
Yeah, for real.
and 20%, oh,
Tastes like
10% drink.
It's like sweet water.
Some Starbucks don't put that much ice, but I mean, literally, look. My hell. That whole cup, it's all the way up to here.
Looks refreshing.
Did me dirty. Did me dirty, Starbucks. I just paid $5 for some ice.
Warrior.
How did you do your hair today?
With your curling iron?
Did you wrap it around?
Mm-hmm. Does it look like that's what I did?
Yeah, it looks cute.
Oh. Did you tell them where we're going?
We're going to Ocean Market. Ocean Market? Ocean Mart?
Mm-hmm.
They have like
Ocean Mart, huh?
Ocean Mart, whatever. We'll see when we get there. They have like a Asian. It's like an Asian store. Asian food.
Yeah.
I don't really go there. She goes there a lot. I like it, but
Yeah, it's expensive.
yeah, it's expensive. But they have really good like Asian treats and stuff. So we're gonna go there because our mom wants poke. What's poke?
It's not even Asian, is it?
No, it's Hawaiian. But they have like a little Hawaiian
Yeah.
eatery or whatever.
Yeah, they have like a little food court there.
Yeah, food court, and they sell Hawaiian food. They have what are those little egg roll things? Lumpia.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, they sell them there where they sell the poke.
Oh, I didn't know that.
We might get some lumpia.
Yeah.
Ocean Mart.
It's the real deal.
Yes, baby, yes. Why are you parking so far?
We're not that far.
Man. Oh, here we go. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day.
I know, I look like Jesus.
Yeah. She came home and she's like, this is what I wore to my presentation. I was like, look.
That's why they were staring.
She's like a peasant.
Yeah, I came in, you're like, what, the peasant? I was like, oh my god.
That's what it looks like.
This is fashion. I just don't know how to wear it.
Fashion with a passion. Back in the car.
I see you sucking. Ah!
Say hi.
Oh, I want to see that. I want to see the camera.
Okay, then don't.
But he wanted to see this.
No, I think he's talking about the camera. Where are we going?
To a movie with my very nice grandma. She might get mad at Aziz for peeing, but it's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
That's so random.
This is how I think I should be going to school now.
Yeah, she has like a little sty. Show him.
Never.
Show it. She has like a sty on her eye. It's starting to get better. It was pretty bad though, to where you couldn't even open your eye at first. Well, you could open it, but it was like poofy.
Last time, remember when it was like poofy and I could have, well, I was at my dad's and there was boogers keeping my eye shut.
Wow, you just shared that information with the internet.
Yes, I don't care. You have
shame.
to tell the people.
No shame, Gabby.
One time I woke up, since my nose was running, I woke up with dry boogers all over here.
Do you know what the Tide Pod challenge is?
No.
Okay, don't look it up.
Why?
Because I don't know what it is, but I guess kids are eating Tide Pods.
That's
You know
Tide Pods.
those they're like little pods. You know what I used to put in the dishwasher? It's like a little pack,
Oh yeah.
but they have some for clothes, and I guess kids are like eating them.
That's not good. They could die.
Yeah, hello, it's chemicals.
I didn't eat them.
You didn't eat them?
You can't. They're
Oh.
bad for you. They'll.
Say hi, welcome to Mommy's channel.
No.
Can you say it for me, please?
I'll do it. No. Hi, welcome to Mommy's channel. Just kidding. Hi, welcome to Mommy's channel. And Gabby's channel.
Your rhythm, Gabby. Sis, follow. Look over here.
What's that? What's Samoa?
The island.
Really?
Oh. What? I meant Mo.